I'm welcoming to all of you on my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Let's see what's this. Today I will talk about phrases. Here is many phrases and these phrases will help you to speak English fluently as well as. So let's learn. What's this? A dime a dozen means means something common. If you want to share something with your cousin, because your cousin something will common in your cousin, so you can say with your cousin, yeah, we have a dime a dozen, like we have something common between us. Beat around the bush. If someone is avoiding saying something, what is the actual? Then you can use this word. Don't beat around the bush. Come to the point. Means say to me what's the actual. Don't beat around the bush. Break a leg. If someone is going to do a good work, if someone is going to do an adventurous work, then you can say that good luck. Have a good luck. Have a break a leg. Hang in there. If someone wants to give up, then if someone don't want to give up, if someone is giving up, then you can use this word. Hang in there means you shouldn't give up. Means don't give up. You are allowing here. Hit the sack. Go to the sleep. If you are elder than your cousin, then you can say to your cousin, if he is awaking whole night, then you can say that you should go to the sleep. Means you should hit the sack. Pull someone's leg. If we are in friends group, if we are in friends zone, then we always make fun of our friends. So if someone is making fun, then we can use this. If someone is making fun of one, then we can say this phrase. Pull someone's leg means to joke with someone's. If we are doing a joke with someone, means so we shouldn't pull someone's leg. Means we shouldn't make fun of a person who's very shy. Pull yourself together means calm down. If someone is being more angry, then you can say that pull yourself together means you should calm down. Under the weather. Yeah, if someone is asking to you how are you, if you are not feeling well, then you can use this word. You can use these phrases in your sentences like this. I'm under the weather means I'm sick. If someone is asking to you, are you under the weather? Then you can say that, no, I'm not under the weather. Means I'm not sick. Get your acts together. Work better or leave. If you are going to do something, then you should get your act together, get your work together. Means work better, otherwise leave. If you want to go to do something, then you should focus on your work. You shouldn't go here and there. And your thoughts will not go to here and there. So you should focus on one and do better for that. Call it a day. Stop working on something. If you are doing something, if you are working on something, then you can use this. If you want to stop that things, it means if your cousin is doing something, if your youngers is doing something, then you can refuse to your youngers like this. Call it a day. Stop working on something which is worst.